Hey everyone! What's up? Today marks day 177 my facial liposuction. It's been about 6 months now, so I wanted to give you an update on how my recovery's going. A bunch of you slid into my DMs asking about the chin strap I use, so I decided to make this video to share with y'all. I'll show you the chin strap that I find pretty awesome, and you can check it out for yourself. Let me flip the camera and show you how this chin strap works. It's got this cool Velcro strap that sets it apart from regular face masks. It's a breeze to put on and it won't hurt your hands. The best part is, the Velcro doesn't scratch or stick to your hair. It's comfortable to wear. The chin strap has this nifty snap button at the back that you can adjust for the perfect fit. Not too tight, not too loose. Unlike the other one I tried, which made my head feel like it was being squished, this one fits like a charm. Check it out, I just use the snap button to secure it at the back, and then it sticks in place. I really dig this Velcro thing. It's super comfy and doesn't chafe your skin or snag your hair. And guess what? I even stick it under my chin for that extra snugness. It feels great when you put it on, covering your ears and sitting tightly around the chin area. The fabric they used is seriously comfy, and it doesn't make you feel like you're suffocating or anything. This chin strap isn't just for the recovery phase. You can totally keep rocking it even after you've healed up. It helps tighten up your skin and smooth out those nasolabial folds. And if you want to wear it at night, you can loosen it a bit for extra comfort while you snooze. Plus, it's made of antibacterial material, so it's perfect to use right after surgery. Whether you had thread lifting, bone grinding, facial liposuction, or a facelift, this chin strap is a champ. It fits snugly and feels comfy on your face, which helps with the recovery process. Let me tell you folks, consistency is key. Keep wearing this fantastic chin strap regularly after your procedure. Don't just ditch it after a week or two. It's essential for proper recovery, trust me. A good chin strap can make a world of difference. It's like a snug little cocoon that wraps around your face and gives you that extra sense of security. So make sure to get yourself a good one. It'll help you recover faster and better. Stay fabulous, my friends.